everyone! Today, we will going to discuss what is Microsoft Word and why do we need it. So what is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a processing program used mainly for creating documents. So now, why do we need Microsoft Word? We need Microsoft Word because it's designed for entry, editing, printing documents, and also allows us to save documents. Now let's proceed to the parts of Microsoft Word. Text area is where we input our text information. File tab is where the documents should be placed. Zoom control is where the slider helps you to zoom in and out. Status bar is a small area at the bottom of a window. Backstage view is where we see all the things that we do to any documents you create. This is what we call the ribbon. As you can see, everything is already put in one place. Ribbon contains command organization and 3 components, which is tabs, groups, and of course, the command. Minimize and maximize is where we restore and close the buttons.
So let's continue our discussion. So if you have multiple files from the same program open, you will need to select the one you want to restore the active mode. When you click the maximize or restore button, the program assumes that the same shape and size it was before you maximize it, or the program when you will fill the screen. So when you click the close button, the program will ask you if you want to save changes if you have made any changes. Once you have responded to this question, the program will close. So the area outlined in red is called the quick access toolbar. So it contains the most commonly used commands in Microsoft Word. So the first is save, second is undo, and third is repeat. So those are commonly used in Microsoft Word.
Okay, let's continue to our discussion. There are 3 ways to save our Word document. First, just press Ctrl+S keys to save the changes. Second, click the floppy icon available at the top left corner and just above the File tab. This option will also save the changes. Third, that we can use to save the changes in Save option available. This is the third method. In opening a new Word document, you just click the File tab and select New option. Second, when you select New option, you will see different list of templates. After that, just double-click on a blank document. In opening an existing document, you just click the File tab and select Open option. This will display following File Open dialog box, which lets you navigate through different file folders and let you select a file which you want to open. Third, after selecting your file, you can use the further option given. In viewing document, Word can display your document in one of 5 views, which can help you better understand the layout, margins, and page breaks in your document. First, print layout. Second, full screen reading. Third, wave layout. Fourth, outline. And 5, draft. In print layout, it gives you an overview on how your document appear when printed, and print layout is the default view in Microsoft Word. Tips: use print layout to make sure your document prints properly before printing to save your paper.
So other ways in viewing your documents is full screen reading. Full screen reading allows you to view a document in full screen without any of the toolbar. So you can zoom out so you see the full page on the screen. So to navigate through the pages, you just click the arrow at the top of the screen or in the lower left and right corner of the pages. So to exit this view, you just click the upper right cross button. So if you want to see how your document would look as a web page, you just choose Web Layout View. In this view, you can see the background, text is wrapped to fit the window, and images appear if they would online. So if your document is long with lots of headings and subheadings and you want to check how it's shaping up, choose Outline View. This view gives you an overview of your document collapsing into outline format. So if you want to focus on what you're writing and not how it will look on the page, try this draft view. So draft view, it displays only the text of a document without showing the arrangement of the text. And that's the 5 different ways in viewing your documents.
A red underline beneath spelling errors, a green underline beneath to grammar errors, and a blue line under correctly spelled but misused words. If a word find a potential error, the spelling and grammar dialog box will open. Spelling errors will be shown as a red text, and grammatical errors will be shown as a green text. To adjust margins, click on the Margins button found on the Page Layout tab. Words list a number of pre-formatted options. But you can also make your own margins by selecting Custom Margins, found at the bottom of the margin list. You can change each of the 4 margins in the dialog box that appears. To insert header or footer, you can choose from a list of standard headers or footers. Go to the list of header or footers options and select the header or footer that you want, or create your own header or footer by selecting Edit Header or Edit Footer. When you're done, select the Close Header and Footer or press ESC. Next is page numbers. Microsoft Word automatically assigns page numbers on pages of your document. Typically, page numbers are printed either in header or a footer, but you have option can display the page number in the left or right margins, the top or the bottom of a page. In a page bricks, Microsoft Word automatically starts a new page when the current page becomes filled with a text, but you can insert a page brick to force Word to start a new text on your new page. You insert a page brick using the mouse.
Cover page. So, what is the cover page? The cover page is the very first page of your document title, its subject, author, and publisher name, etc. Page orientation refers to whether the document is landscape or portrait. Working with tables. So using your table, you can place text or images on one cell and align it accordingly.
Adding row or column. There are 5 steps on how to add row or column. First, place the insertion point in a row below the location where you wish to add a row. Second, right-click the mouse, a menu appears. Third, select insert row above. Fourth, same procedure is followed to add column. Fifth, deleting a row or column. Merge table cells. In Microsoft Word, allows merging 2 or more cells to create one large cell. You would frequently need to merge column of the row to create title of the table.
For today's report, I will discuss about split table, split cell, and table style. First, split table. Microsoft Word allows splitting a table into multiple tables. Single operation can divide a table into 2 tables. To split a table, you can bring your mouse pointer position anywhere in the row should appear as the first row of the new table. Next, split a cell. Microsoft Word allows splitting a cell into multiple cells. Splitting a cell into multiple cells, we have 2 steps. First, you can bring your mouse pointer position inside a cell that you want to divide into multiple cells. Now, click the Layout tab and then click the Split Cell button. Next, we have Table Style. If you want to make or do a table style, we have 4 steps for us to be guided. First, click anywhere on the table. The Design tab will appear on the ribbon. Second, select the Design tab and locate the table style. Third, if you want to change the style options from the Design tab, check or uncheck the desired options in the Table Style Options group. Fourth, the last, if you want also to add borders from the Design tab, select the desired line style, line width, and pin color.